I'm grateful for the communication department. I am a recipient of the Rudick C. and Cherry Lawrence Endowed Scholarship Award. This has allowed me to not have a financial burden. I'm able to intern and volunteer, focus on my schoolwork. I am so grateful for the advisors at the university who have always been rooting for my success along the way.
I'm thankful for the Department of Communications because when I first got here, I was feeling pretty disoriented. And they introduced me to Dr. Joseph, and she really helped me see myself in higher education.
As former president of AWC, the communications department has given me the opportunity to mentor, lead, and empower other women here at UW in ways I never thought possible. I can genuinely say now that for once I believe in myself and my potential to make a really positive impact on our society and on others through the power of communications.
I'm thankful for all the opportunities UW Communication has provided in my growth as a student and a journalist. I was really lucky and was sent down to Olympia last winter to cover the state legislature, and that was an incredible experience. Provided me a lot of growth as a reporter, and I feel like it opened up a lot of doors for me and has made me more competitive as an applicant. From that experience, I feel more certain about my future after graduation.
More than ever, the Department of Communication is committed to providing a transformative education. We push students to take on challenges, reach beyond themselves, and see the world in new ways. Together with our alumni, faculty, staff, friends, and community partners, we are expanding our impact everywhere.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.